What are primary colors? How many primary colors we have? Did you watch? How many primary colors? Very good. Red, blue, yellow. What about empty glasses? Empty glasses? What are those colors? Good. Orange, green, purple. Do we have only this amount of colors? Common colors: red, blue, yellow, orange, green, purple, pink, grey, brown, black, white. Then what about this color? Yes, there are some specific colors too. Let's learn the specific colors on the next lesson. Until that, if you know what's this color, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share with your friends.